Say, hey, it's time to go. I want to go to this place. And sometimes going to that place may require you to going against the wave. You have to, it reasonably. You can't verbalize why you feel a particular way. But your intuition just say, hey, it's time to go. I want to go to this place. On a deep knowing that you can't physically materialize or use logic or reasoning or evidence. You can't rationalize it reasonably. You can't verbalize why you feel your intuition. I think go with the flow means allowing your intuition to flow, allowing your sixth sense to flow.